Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix domain already in use in Google Workspace. Fixing the domain already in use error in Google Workspace usually means the domain is already tied to another admin account. So the first step is to try recovering access by signing in at admin.google.com or using the Find Your Account option with your domain email. Because in many cases, the original Workspace setup is still active somewhere. If you regain access, you can simply remove or transfer the domain from that old admin console. If you cannot access the existing account, the next step is to prove ownership of the domain by adding a TXT record through your domain host DNS settings, which allows Google to verify that you are the rightful owner and proceed with setup or recovery. In cases where the domain is still locked to another workspace tenant, you may need to request a domain release or takeover through Google Workspace support by submitting a recovery or transfer request form, which can be accessed through Google's admin help pages. Once verified, Google can unlock the domain from the previous account so you can reuse it in a few new workspace setup without conflicts. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.